Hello everyone! Welcome again to my channel. I will have a cooking video this time and I will be cooking an exotic vegetable. This is taro runners. Taro runners. We call it in our place takway. It is like a root structure, but in the end, it will become a young plant. So, without further ado, let's start. I will cook my takway in my own way. So, I forgot to preheat the oil. Okay. We'll put first the garlic. Wow, I love it when I put the garlic, the oil will sound. I like it. I put already the garlic and the bulb onions, and then I will put the tomatoes. I think the tomatoes is resistant. Then I'll add the kamote. It's orange kamote. Let's cover it and wait for a while. Usually the taro runners or the takway is being used to be cooked, especially in our barangays, especially barangays that are near the mountains and planted plenty of gabi or taro, there are plenty of takway in there. So, we, the taga-bukid, used to cook this as our gulay. We use it as our utan. So, I will show you how I cook ours. And this is nutritious. This is healthy. And I love the color of my kamote. It's orange. I really love to eat this kind of gulay. But when I go to the market, I seldom see this one. But the last time I went early, and then I went to the flea market, and there I found the last little bundle, about a 1/4 kilo bundle of takway. So I am able to buy, and now I am able to cook. I am excited. I have not eaten this one for a long time already. Okay. And this is now the takway. I blanched it already so that I will not have hard time cooking this one for a long time. So, this is it. It's quite plenty. So, I will add the soy sauce. I will add the chili. I will add the granulated seasoning. And lastly, I add the sugar. Okay? Add a little salt. Let's wait for a while. It smells good already. You know why did I blanch it? Why did I blanch ahead of time the takway? So that it will cook early. So that it will cook very short time. Okay. And I know it is already done. Let me have a taste. Wow. Sarap. So, it's too plenty to this one. So, this is it, guys. This is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like what I am doing. This is one of the vegetable we used to eat in our place in the mountains. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you will not forget to hit like, subscribe, then hit the notification bell and press all, don't forget. And leave also a comment that when I have new video, you will be notified. Goodbye everyone. Be safe wherever you are.